Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete your databases on Odoo. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm in my database. I only have this one. I don't have any other databases, but to delete your databases, it's really easy. I'm pretty sure you can delete all of them. You don't need to have at least one, so you can delete all of them, keep your record clean, and then you can create a new one at a later date. But if you want to delete your database, what you need to do is go into your account in the top right, and you should be within a database to do this. However, you can also do it from the main page as well. So you just need to click on your account icon wherever it is and then go into My Databases. Once you access your My Databases menu, here you'll see a menu of all your databases. Just click on the name of any of your databases you want and then press delete. Now if I click delete here, as you can see, you are going to be permanently deleting all your data, which cannot be restored at a later date. So yeah, you can delete it like that. Of course, I will not be doing that since I don't have any reason to do so. So yeah, I'm just going to go back into my database. But yeah, pretty much that's all there is to it. Just to demonstrate, actually, if I go back, if I click on my account in the top right, as you'll see, you have your My Databases menu there as well. And then you just delete them as I've shown you previously, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.